I have a Kohler 14 Resa and it is shutting down with the volt L1 L2 low shutdown warning.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Last week it had a weird noise like popping or explosions, but we did the full maintenance workup, oil filter, oil, air filter, sparks, and the noise went away. We used it great. But today we get the popping noise againg and it shuts down with the volt L1 L2 error.
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
It is new, just 4 weeks and 200 hours of use.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Don't know.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't think so.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. If your unit is only 4 weeks old, you need to contact an authorized Kohler service center and have this repaired under warranty. If you attempt to work on this yourself, you will void the warranty.
Thanks, I contacted them. However, based on your experience, could that be a big issue? I am in Puerto Rico, and after the hurricane, generators are a huge thing to have in good shape, and I was wondering if that would be something hard to repair when the service guy comes.
Low voltage can be caused by many things, anything from a sticking brush that takes 10 minutes to clean and requires no parts, all the way up to a burnt stator, which is a very expensive item, and takes several hours and a complete tear down to replace. There are many possibilities, and I can't even guess as to what the actual problem may be. The unit needs to have a thorough diagnostics done to determine the problem.
Thanks.
No problem. I hope they get you up and running soon. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to use the star chart to rate the quality of my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.